I am the snowflake. My brief life is my perfection. One of nature's many precious gifts from the sky. I teach uniqueness without comparison. No two snowflakes are exactly alike because each forms under slightly different atmospheric conditions. Snowflakes can trap air, making the snow an excellent insulator that protects plants and animals below. I arrive silently, but change everything. Beauty does not need permanence. I dissolve without regret. Advice from a snowflake. Keep your cool. Appreciate small wonders. Let your plans crystallize. Take time to chill. Sparkle. Celebrate your uniqueness. It's okay to be a little flaky.